What's up, YouTube? Ray from Punisher Lemans Garage. Today we're going to tackle a little bit of exhaust work. As some of you know who have been following my channel, I'm throwing the car together NA for a while, just to play with it. It's going turbo, so I'm not wanting to spend a bunch of money on exhaust. It's got some cheap eBay headers that I made work. Just for your information, don't buy them, they suck. A buddy of mine had this exhaust laying out in the trash pile that came off of a Trans Am he was working on. So we're going to modify it, make it fit under the old Le Mans, and it's going to come right out before the rear wheels, just like the old muscle cars. Kind of excited about this. The car sounds pretty good actually with this exhaust on it. I had it kind of up under there for a little bit. I had it open headers, I drove it around the block. When I was like 16, that was cool as hell, but now that I'm old, not so much. Anyway, we're gonna see if we can get this thrown up under there and see how it goes. You can see this side, kind of how it goes, and then we're gonna have that piece come out there right in front of the rear tires. Old school cool. We're gonna love it. Like I said, this is just a cheap for now exhaust. I'm not throwing a bunch of money at it because it's going back turbo. And there's that exhaust bracket I made. It's gonna rattle, it's gonna vibrate, it's gonna be loud. I don't really care. It holds the exhaust in place. Here is the passenger side. So I turn that muffler a little bit, it's just clamped together. Boom, there you go. Right before the rear wheels. I'll do a startup video here in a little while. That's it though. Kind of like it for now.